My friends, now I am in front of Majherhat Eastern Rail Sports Complex where Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha has organized FIDE rating chess tournament under 17 which has commenced on 14th June 2024 and this tournament will end on 17th June 2024. My friends, this under 17 chess tournament, this under 17 FIDE rating chess tournament is the selection tournament for national level under 17. My friends, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha. This tournament has been organized by Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha, which is only an apex chess body of West Bengal, and this Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is a organized and recognized and affiliated by All India Chess Federation. My friends, now I am going to the area where under 17 FIDE rating chess tournament is taking place. My friends, this is the entrance of Majherhat Eastern Railway Sports Complex Academy. This is the area where Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha has organized FIDE rating below 17 chess tournament, and this chess tournament is for the selection of national level. Hi.
Hello,
Okay. What's your name?
I am Snehali.
Okay. From where have you come?
I have come from Goria.
Okay. Since morning, I have seen you traveling here and there in Majherhat Eastern Railway Sports Complex. Why?
There's a tournament we are playing right now, that is under 17 states,
Okay.
which is the selection championship for nationals.
Okay. And why have you come in the field of chess?
Actually, in my sixth birthday, I wanted a game, any kind of game, and my mother gifted me a chess set.
Okay.
She was the first one to teach me the moves, and I got interest in that.
Okay.
And later on, I got admitted to an academy.
Okay, very nice. This is story for
Yeah.
everybody. And what will be your ambition on the field of chess?
I want to become a female grandmaster.
Okay, female grandmaster.
Yes.
Okay, I pray to God one day your dream will come true, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This ongoing FIDE rating below 17 chess tournament has been organized by Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha under the strong leadership of respected President of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha and first Grandmaster from West Bengal and second Grandmaster from India, respected Dibyendu Borua, and respected Secretary of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha, respected Debashish Borua, and respected renowned chess arbiter, respected Ashid Baron Chowdhury, and all other dignitaries of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha. My friends, this Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha was granted affiliation by All India Chess Federation in its annual general meeting held on 10th June 2021. সারা বাংলা দাবা সংস্থা is now the apex body for chess in West Bengal. After getting affiliation from All India Chess Federation, সারা বাংলা দাবা সংস্থা did some wonderful chess programs, but popular chess program conducted by Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha now I shall describe. My friends, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is an apex chess body in West Bengal, and the memorable chess program conducted by Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is as follow. My friends, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha along with events worldwide went to launch the Premier Chess League Bengal chapter from June 10, 2023. This grand event was first of its kind in its history of chess in West Bengal. Arjun awardee Grandmaster respected Dibyendu Borua was seen in a new role, the chairman of organizing committee, and Grandmaster Surya Shekhar Ganguly was brand ambassador of this tournament. This tournament was held in two phases. In the first phase, they divided 23 districts into 6 zones, namely A to Z zones. On the basis of final ranking, 10 players from each zone qualified to represent their zone in the final phases, which was team event and was held in Kolkata on 12 to 13 August 2023. My friends, there was 2 days tournament in each zone in rapid and breeze format, and prize money was rupees 1 lakh in the first phase. 6 teams played amongst themselves and 4 teams qualified for semi-final and final rounds. Total prize money for final phase was rupees 3 lakhs. My friends, the motto of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha was to spread the royal game chess event in the rural areas, and SBDS, I mean Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha, was confident this unique tournament will generate huge interest in the young minds of West Bengal. My friends, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha has got the importance of chess event in students. The importance of chess event are as follow. Number 1, chess brings people together. Number 2, chess teaches how to win and how to lose. Number 3, chess helps children realize the consequence of their action. Number 4, chess can help you to focus. Number 5, chess is an educational tool. Number 6, chess develops creativity. Number 7, chess builds confidence. Number 8, chess develops problem solving skills. Number 9, chess exercises the brain. And number 10, chess helps you to remain calm under pressure. My friends, This is the under 17 FIDE rating chess tournament, and see how the player are concentrating. This they are always calm and cool under pressure. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. What's your name?
My name is Rudra.
Okay. From where have you come?
I've come from Haldia, Purmoedipur.
Okay. Your class?
I'm in class 12th.
Okay. Since morning, I see you are going, coming, speaking, standing, traveling here. Why?
Sir, this is basically under 17 state tournament. So basically, I am trying to focus on the game by keeping me involved in anything else. I don't want to focus on the game before the game. So I want to keep my mind fresh. That's why I was traveling here and there.
Okay. And why you are interested to play the chess event?
So I am basically interested to play the chess event, as I think every player's dream is to play chess and achieve a rating. So firstly I want to get a rating, but basically my class 12th boards are coming. So maybe I will not achieve my ambition now, but later after I complete my 12th and reach my college, I will take chess seriously. Not professionally, but I would be really happy if I get a part-time income from chess by coaching or something else in future.
Okay. And what is your chess ambition?
Like everyone, my dream or ambition is to become a grandmaster, but currently it is not possible, but I will work out it in future. Or my ambition can be to be a chess coach and spread the awareness of the game to many people.
Okay, my friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All the best. My friends, this ongoing FIDE rating below 17 chess tournament is under the arbitership of respected Mrinal Ghosh, respected Pritam Ghosh, and respected Debashis Borua. My friends, in the area of chess, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is an example. Always Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is taking effective initiatives for the widespread of chess concept across West Bengal. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is apex chess body in West Bengal, and Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is affiliated by All India Chess Federation. Every year in different areas of West Bengal, Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha conducts plenty of tournaments in different formats. Sometimes potential players have been found in rural areas. To support them, Mitra Charitable Trust on behalf of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha sponsor chess sets in rural areas. From that rural areas, few players are playing now in ongoing FIDE rating below 17 chess tournament. This is the amazing response from village. My friends, this ongoing below 17 FIDE rating chess tournament is in well infrastructure with air conditioned playing hall and air conditioned parents waiting area. All arbiters are supportive and all players are also decent. This venue is peaceful venue, and this venue is the correct venue for chess event. This venue Majherhat Eastern Railway Sports Complex is well connected place where players can reach easily. Food supply and water supply to players and parents are appreciated. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha did wonderful jobs in all areas. initiatives to make this tournament successful is praiseworthy. I think visiting this tournament is memorable time in my life. The way Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha proceeds for the development of chess is beyond imagination. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is always with player. Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is always interested to know the player's problem. They only want development of chess here and there in West Bengal. Objective of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is to make an grandmaster from every rural area. This is the dream of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha. The way Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha is giving the hard work, I think one day the dream of Sara Bangla Daba Sangstha will come true. My friends, I am sure one day we shall find one grandmaster in chess event from every village. My friends, this is the chess tournament. This is the ongoing FIDE rating below 17 chess tournament, and this is the tournament for the selection of national level. My friends, this is the very good tournament. Hi,
My name is Adishi Chinna Mishram.
and from where have you come?
I am coming from Kolkata
Okay, what class do you read in now?
in class 9.
Okay, how you have taken this chess event?
This chess event has helped me to gain a lot of patience to sit and play, and it is also helping me in brain thinking. It improves the brain capacity and to think, and I have more patience.
Okay. Acha, do you know? Can you tell me the name of the tournament where you are playing now?
It is West Bengal State under 17 girls chess tournament.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference in between before playing the chess and after playing the chess?
Before playing chess, I did not have that much of patience to sit like for 2 hours, 3 hours. But after playing chess, I could sit for 2 hours and 3 hours constantly.
Okay, really good. And what is your planning about chess in future?
I want to become grandmaster in future.
Okay, very nice. Thanks. I think one day your dream will come true, right?
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you.
As the representative secretaries of several districts. First of all, I would request Mr. Devashish Bodua, Secretary of SPTS, please take your seats. Please give that applause. Thereafter, Mr. Rajendra Singh, I will request you, please take your seats, sir, the Vice President of SPTS. Thereafter, I would like to request Mr. Devash Kodji, Secretary of SPTS, please take your seats. Mr. Abdul Haq, Moinada, the Secretary of Purulia District, I would request him to please take your seat, sir. Mr. Pulpor Paul, the Secretary of Purva Medipur, I would request him also please take your seats. And last but not the least, Mr. Mrinal Gandhi Ghosh, the Chief Officer of today's program, the tournament of under 17 state championship. Thereafter, just few words from Mr. Devashish Bodua. Sir, please.
সহবান খুব সুন্দর সহযোগিতার জন্য এত ভালো আপনারা সহযোগিতা করেছেন।
আমরা যে জায়গায় টুর্নামেন্ট করি এত ভালো পরিবেশ, এই ইস্টার্ন রেলওয়ে স্পোর্টস কমপ্লেক্সটা এতগুলো ঘর আছে, প্রত্যেকটা ঘর এসি আছে। এইটা কিন্তু আপনাদের টুর্নামেন্ট, আপনারা এটাকে ভালোভাবে রাখবেন, বারে বারে পাবেন।
শুরু করতে আমি ফিফথ র্যাঙ্কিং থেকে ডাকছি আন্ডার 7। প্রথম ফিফথে হচ্ছে আর্থিক মিত্রা। আর্থিক মিত্র, প্লেস গিভ হিম এ বিগ ক্লাপ। আর্থিক মিত্র। thereafter সৌরভ দাস। সৌরভ দাস চলে হাততালি মিলে না যায়। সৌরভ দাসের পরবর্তীতে হচ্ছে সারাসা সিং। thereafter Ajit Mitra and Aradha Gui. Under 7 open categories, prize distribution করছেন সারা বাংলা জবা সংস্থার সেক্রেটারি মিস্টার দেবাশিস বড়ুয়া। thereafter আমি একটু রাজেন্দ্র স্যারকে আসতে বলবো। মিস্টার রাজেন্দ্র সিং স্যারের হাত থেকে স্যারকে রিকোয়েস্ট করবো প্রাইজগুলো দেওয়ার জন্য। আন্ডার 9 বয়েজে ফ্রম 5th থেকে বলছি বিনীত মহাপাত্র। বিনীত মহাপাত্র 5th র্যাঙ্ক হোল্ডার। and thereafter শ্রুতি সরকার। শ্রুতি সরকার। শ্রুতি সরকার। get ready. Ayan Gupta. विनीत महापात्र। विनीत महापात्र একটু জোরে হাত দিস। নেক্সট হচ্ছে আয়ন গুপ্তা। আয়ন গুপ্তার পর অনিকেত দাস। অনিকেত দাস হাততালিটা খুব চলছে, হাততালিটা ঠান্ডা চলবে না। and Mahesh Kanar. Mahesh Kanar. Under 9 opening of first holder position holder. Thereafter Devashish Mukerji স্যারকে আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করবো আমাদের সারা বাংলার জয়েন্ট সেক্রেটারি আন্ডার 11 বয়েজ তাদের প্রাইজগুলো হ্যান্ড ওভার করার জন্য 5th থেকে ডাকছি 5th রাজেন্দ্র মন্ডল। রাজেন্দ্র মন্ডল। রাজেন্দ্র পর হচ্ছে কুশল বাগরি। কুশল বাগরি। কুশল বাগরি নেই আছে। স্পন্দন দেবনাথ। স্পন্দন দেবনাথ জোরে হাততালি দিন প্রত্যেকে। আচ্ছা স্পন্দনের পর কোনো ডেফিনেটলি thereafter Samintha Rajvanshi. Samintha Rajvanshi. Please come. Samintha Rajvanshi for Abir Mitra. Abir Mitra. আচ্ছা আমরা আন্ডার 11 এর প্রাইজ ডিস্ট্রিবিউশন শেষ করলাম। আন্ডার 13 এর জন্য আমি রিকোয়েস্ট করছি আমাদের এই টুর্নামেন্টের চিফ আর্বিট্রার মিস্টার মৃণাল ঘোষকে প্রাইজ হ্যান্ড ওভার করার জন্য। আন্ডার 13 উনি চিফ আর্বিট্রার। আমি নাম ডাকছি এখানে। 5th হচ্ছে সুরেন্দ্র দে। সুরেন্দ্র দে। Thereafter Indra Mitra. ইনভাইট আপনারা প্লিজ একটু এদিকে অ্যাটেনশন দেবেন, গার্জেনদের আমরা রিকোয়েস্ট করছি প্লিজ একটু হাততালি দিয়ে উৎসাহিত করবেন। ইনভাইট থার্ড পজিশন হোল্ডার পরমার্থ মিত্র, পরমার্থ মিত্র। ওকে, আচ্ছা পরমার্থের পর হচ্ছে স্বপ্না বড় যোগী, স্বপ্না বড় যোগী is the second position holder and the first position holder under 13 Aharshi Ghosh. That section আমি under 7 থেকে শুরু করছি। Second position holder Archie Desh, Archie Dash. And the first position holder under 7 girls Adina Mohanty, Adina Mohanty. Joy Hantari under 7 Adina Mohanty. Mr. Umbal Bhagavan, Secretary of Purva Medipur for under 9 girls. Under 9 girls Yana Desai. Third position holder Yana Desai. अच्छा, आयंशी शेंगुप्ता, second position holder आयंशी शेंगुप्ता under 9 girls. जोड़े हटा के उठो, आयंशी शेंगुप्ता. And first position holder under 9 girls है आयंशी भट्टाचार्य, आयंशी भट्टाचार्य. Under 11 girls, third position holder Ayushi Bar. Ayushi Bar. Please, after the meeting again, Ayushi Bar. Thank you very much. Ayushi Bar for Amriti Ashmita Vishwas. Ashmita Vishwas, second position holder. Under 11 girls, Ashmita Vishwas. And thereafter first position holder Adrita Vaishya, Adrita Vaishya. এবার under 13 girls এর দেবো, under 13 girls এর জন্য আমি রাজেন্দ্র স্যারকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছি, রাজেন্দ্র সিং স্যার একটু আসুন প্রাইজ হ্যান্ড ওভার করার জন্য। থার্ড পজিশন হোল্ডার অনন্যা সামন্ত, অনন্যা সামন্ত। Under 13 girls please come first. Ananya Samando, তারপর ready থাকো মিয়ানি চন্দ্র, মিয়ানি চন্দ্র। Okay, মিয়ানি চন্দ্র for first position holder under 13 girls है भूमिका पॉल, भूमिका पॉल। भूमिका पॉल। Okay, thank you sir. Please take Adriti Bar. Cash award 2000 rupees. Adriti Bar. Thereafter 11th position holder Rihanna Madhu. Thereafter 10th rank holder Anukita Chatterjee. Anukita Chatterjee from North Chowbish Pargana. Thereafter Cynthia Sarkar. Cynthia Sarkar. Cynthia नहीं लगी। एक आहना दत्त रॉय, आहना दत्त रॉय। बच्चों ने ऐसा नहीं तो आहना जो नहीं। अच्छा 7th position holder अनुश्री शर्मा, अनुश्री शर्मा। অভিনন্দন স্যারকে রেসিডেন্ট দিচ্ছি। আমি দিবাসী স্যারকে একটু অনুরোধ করবো অনুশ্রী পর থেকে 6 পজিশন হোল্ডার থেকে প্রাইজগুলো তুলে দেয়। 6 এ দাক্ষা রুদ্রা, 6 দাক্ষা রুদ্রা। thereafter 5th position holder Surabhi Bhattacharya। প্লিজ জোরে হাত তালি, একটু উৎসাহ দেয় তাদের জন্য। Surabhi Aditya Vishwas, Aditya Vishwas, please give a big thanks for that, for the player. Aditya Vishwas আমাকে আমি ডাক্তার কথাকালিতে yes. Second position holder Maitri Mandal, Maitri Mandal, छोड़े हाथ नहीं, यह किसी अपार लाइन में नहीं है तो Maitri Mandal, and the first position holder of girls Devapriya Manna. Devapriya Manna. কয়েকদিন থেকে আমি ওপেনের রিজার্ভ করছি নামগুলো প্রাইজ দিলাম নেওয়ার জন্য। শারমিক দত্ত, দেখছেন যে আয়ুষী বিশ্বাস, আয়ুষী বিশ্বাস, দীপ্রনীল বর্মন, দীপ্রনীল বর্মন, ছোটে হাত, দীপ্রনীল বর্মন, আহিল বাত্রা, সিক্সটিন পজিশন হোল্ডার অগ্নিম দত্ত, অগ্নিম দত্ত, from 15th position holder Devayan Roy, Devayan Roy, 14 Oishit Mandal, Oishit Mandal, 14th position holder Oishit Mandal, 13 Shaptoshi Talukdar, 12 Rishan Devnath, Rishan Devnath, 9th position holder Shomik Bandyopadhyay, Rajendra Singh sir, prize handover করছি। 7th holder Venkatesh Das, 7th position holder Venkatesh Das, 6th Shaurabha, Shaurabha, 5th position holder Trisha Jain, Trisha Jain, 4th position holder Shubhajit Dey, 4th position holder Shubhajit Dey, Joy Hatani, please. 4th position holder. The 3rd position holder, Agnima Chakravarti. 3rd position holder, please. আমি এক্সপেক্ট করবো আপনাদের পক্ষ থেকে ওদেরকে উৎসাহ দেওয়ার জন্য জোরে হাত তালি। Agnima Chakravarti. And 2nd position holder, Leelakri Banerjee. Leelakri Banerjee, the 2nd position holder. And last, the champion